Today we're making crumpets. We're going to start by adding our yeast to some warm milk. It wants to be around 30 degrees centigrade, and a couple of teaspoons of sugar. Give that a little stir, and then wait for 10 minutes until it looks foamy like this. Next up, we're going to take our flour and add a pinch of salt, and then just mix that through to disperse it evenly before adding all of your yeast and water. Cover with a cloth and just wait an hour. And after that hour, your dough should be double in size. Now take your baking powder and mix it into your water, and then we're going to stir it in with a wooden spoon at first, but when the consistency loosens a little bit, we'll give it a good whisk until smooth. Now cover and leave for another 30 minutes. Now we'll just transfer it into a jug to make it easier to pour into our rings, and keep covered until ready to use. Next up, we'll just take some softened butter and rub it all around the inside of these rings so that the crumpets don't stick. Now put a pan on a low to medium heat with about a tablespoon of oil and put in your rings. Now fill halfway up with your crumpet batter. They will need about 5 to 8 minutes on this side without touching or doing anything. I've sped this up just so you can see the cooking process, and throughout the cooking process I have popped some of the larger bubbles. Once they have set and look fairly dry on top, you can remove the rings and then give them all a gentle flip. They only need about 30 seconds on this side. They are already cooked, just looking for a light brown colour. And that's it, crumpets done. See you next week.